This is a brand new 2013 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, roof rails, cruise control, latch-ready child seat anchors, a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a rear window defroster, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a remote entry system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.